Just the right amount of pressure.
Now, your hammer's got holes in it, in the handle. What's that about?
Well, this hammer, I've had it for probably, I started shooting horses in 1973. And the handle was longer, so I put these little holes in it for a better grip. As I took lessons to blacksmith, we found out that having these hammers like this, your hand is like this, so it goes like this, and you get a better grip.
Yeah, great.
So,
Oh, you got big forearms.
I'm sorry?
You got large forearms.
Well, that's probably from lifting weights
Oh,
and shoeing horses for 14 years.
Wow.
I remember one time when I was an apprentice, my boss, he said, go trim that horse over there, just to trim. This guy had feet that long, my God. So I got my nippers and I went, help me.
wow.
And he had arms like my legs. So he came over in between us both, so
Wow.
it was all of this,
Wow.
like that.
And that'll build them up for sure.
Oh, I did a last one.
What's your name?
They call me No Afraid of Dogs. Where you guys from?
Orange County.
Corona.
Whoa, you come a long way.